Hi, I'm Florian from Floret. Today we're going to be sharing some tips and tricks on caring for your luxury vinyl plank flooring, so it'll look great for many years to come. There are several things to remember that will help keep your Floret floor looking like new. Keep your floor clean, use felt protectors under furniture, and avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight. Let's talk about each of these points in detail. Keeping your floors clean is essential. Dust is an abrasive substance, so ensuring that your floor is dust-free will prolong the life of the finish and wear layer. Regularly sweep and vacuum your floor. Make sure to use a vacuum that is suitable for hard surface floors and disable any abrasive beater bar. Use walk-off mats at outside entrances to reduce the amount of dirt brought into your home. Most household cleaners are safe to use on LVP, but be sure to avoid cleaners that use wax and shine agents. Those can build up on the floor and dull the finish. Instead, clean your floors with a product such as Spona Pro Series Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner or a dilute vinegar water solution. When moving appliances or heavy furniture, we recommend laying a masonite panel on your floor for the best protection. Use felt protectors on furniture to reduce the risk of scratching, especially on objects that are moved frequently, like chairs. For heavy objects with small points of contact with the floor, such as pianos, use caster cups. The Modine LVP collection has a UV protective coating on top of the wear layer, which dramatically slows possible fading from sunlight. To keep your floors looking pristine, avoid exposure to direct sunlight for prolonged periods. Use drapes or blinds to minimize the amount of direct sunlight your floor is exposed to. Almost any flooring will eventually fade if exposed to direct sunlight. Remember, excessive temperatures are not suitable for resilient floors either. And that's everything you need to know to keep your flooring looking great for years to come. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at floret.com. Our team's always happy to help. Remember to subscribe and turn on your alerts for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.